Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and I did a video earlier today on the envelope tool, and somebody asked me how I did that. I would put it in the center of the page, holding down the control button so it'll stay in the center, and get it about to the edge, and then go get your envelope tool, which is underneath your drop shadow. And I always suggest to get rid of these interior nodes. So just select them and hit delete. That's pretty close to the rings, but let's move it up a little bit. Then we can take this down. And it might help you if you put indexing lines so you can get them even and then just make that even. So let's bring down an indexing line and put it on that node so we know where to do the next one. So we're going to go right here and go straight down to that node and then take our handle and just make it match. That's a pretty cool way to do it. You could, straighten this out a little bit if you wanted to. That one's straight. This one's a little bit off, and make it more exact. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.